Good morning, children. Again, I am going to take this another topic, that is types of networks. When we talk about types of networks, computers that are linked by means of communication system, a group of network means a group of networked computers. A group of network means a group of networked computers, that is computers that are linked by means of communication system. A network can mean a small group of linked computers to a chain of a few hundred computers or different types, that is maybe PCs, minis, mainframes, etc., spread around the world. Thus, networks vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. Mostly, computers are classified on the basis of geographical spread, and on this basis, there are three types of networks: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Very first in your book, here it is given PAN, that is Personal Net Area Network, PAN, PAN. So, what is PAN? Let me explain you what is PAN, PAN, PAN. PAN is a type of computer network that is mainly created for an individual person. Individual person. It is used for communication among devices such as laptops, mobile phones, smartphones, printers, scanners, fax machines, and so on. It is used for communication among devices, that too for an individual person. So personal area networks can be either it can be either wired or wireless. A pen generally covers a range of 10 meters. It can't be beyond 10 meters. This is the limit for PAN. And when we talk about network, or when we talk about World Wide Web today, it is across the world. So here its limit is defined 10 meters. So this is limit of it. You can use these networks to transmit files including emails, calendars, appointments, digital photos, musics, games, movies, etc., that in a limited range. It covers only a limited range, and that is the range of 10 meters. Next is local area network, that is LAN, LAN. Small computer networks that are confined to a localized area. Localized area means maybe office, building, or a factory. That is known as, or that are known as, local area networks. The key purpose of a LAN is to serve its users in resource sharing. Sharing of resources, that is hardware. Sharing printer, sharing hard disks, maybe softwares also, sharing data, information, programs, modems, etc. That is LAN. So in LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area. Now here small area means it is going to be more than 10 meters, which was the limit for PAN, such as room, offices, building in a particular campus. In local area network, computer terminals are physically connected with wires, and the data transmission speed is slow as compared to any other type of networking. Here speed is slow. Since it is operated in a small area, it can be controlled and administered by a single person or an organization. It is in a particular small area. So it can be controlled by a single person or maybe by a single organization. This is about LAN, local area network. Next is MAN. MAN is little wider. MAN is a larger network than LAN, and it is spread across a city. As the name shows, metropolitan area network means city wise networks are connected. Maybe one city is Ujjain, another city is Bhopal, third city is Indore. There are three networks, and when these three networks are interconnected, that makes MAN. Here it is metropolitan area network, means we can't say about small cities, we have to talk about metropolitan cities. Okay, the most common example of MAN type network is cable television, branches of a local local banks in a city. Metropolitan area network are the networks which is spread over a city, I can say. So the purpose of MAN is also sharing hardware as well as software resources among its users. That is MAN, metropolitan area network. And last one is WAN, that is wide area network. As the name says, wide area network. It is across countries. It is across countries. A wide area network is a group of computers that are spread by large distances and tied together. It can even be a group of LANs that are spread across several locations and connected together to look like one big LAN. The WAN link computers to facilitate fast and efficient exchange of information at the lesser cost and higher speed. So WAN is a combination. It could include LAN, it could include MAN to make a WAN. It is going to be worldwide, across the world. So a worldwide network, this kind of network connects two or more computers located at far places. Now far places means what? Far? Country wise. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. The usage of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. And the main characteristic of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. And the best examples for WAN we can give are ATM facilities provided by banks, internet and intranet in a large multinational companies. Further, I will give you difference between internet and intranet also. What is internet and then what is intranet? So these are some examples for worldwide or wide area network, that is WAN, WAN. Thank you, children.